Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy steps on how to download Gmail application for your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Tap open your app store to begin. Now go to the search box at the very top and type in Gmail in the search box. Tap on the search button in the lower right-hand corner and you'll be able to find the application displayed on the next page. You can easily get the application for your Android and iOS as well. With the Gmail application installed on your mobile devices, you can easily block more than 99.9% of spams, phishing malware, and much more dangerous links from reaching to your inbox. Turn on Google Chat to connect, create and collaborate with others, switch between multiple accounts, and so much more. To quickly get the application downloaded on your iPhone, simply tap on the Guest button at the right-hand side of the application. The download has begun. Now wait until the application gets downloaded on your iPhone. It might take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application. Soon after the application gets downloaded, you should see an Open button popping up right beside it. Tap it on to launch the app open. This is the first interface of Gmail, which looks like this. At the very bottom, tap on the sign in Boston. You need to go ahead and set up your email by selecting one of these options over here. Tap on Google in order to log into your Gmail account and tap Continue. Go ahead and enter your Google account credentials and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily download the Gmail application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.